What did you think of the beach?
I really loved it. I thought it was really beautiful. The water is so clear and it's a very pretty color.
Did you like paddleboarding?
How about you?
I liked it. I fell 3 times.
3 times.
It's good breeze, good sun, and very nice scenery.
Faces painted black. One of the features of the Sumitsuke Festival, a traditional religious ritual in Katae, Mahoneseki-cho. Miniature Shinto shrines are carried throughout town, then into the sea. People pray for good health and safety at sea. Consisting of 6 peaks, Mount Sanbei stands 1,126 meters tall. Climbing this mountain is fun for everyone. Climbers can choose from 6 routes up, of varying difficulty levels.
Make it to the top.
Let's go.
Okay.
Well, the sun's still out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it hasn't gone away yet.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool today, the weather is very nice.
Yeah, I think it's the perfect kind of time for hiking.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not too sweaty yet.
Mm. How beautiful is the sunlight through the trees?
Yeah, it's really nice. I could talk about it literally for hours.
Yeah.
Going slow.
Enjoying
Mount
the
Sanbei. Sanbei.
Sanbei.
Sanbei. Take 3.
Take 3.
Wow. Whew. We
was
are
fun.
really out here. All right, here we are, we made it.
Woo!
The top offers a stunning 360-degree panoramic view of the Sea of Japan, the Chugoku mountain range, and even Mount Daisen in Tottori.
Where does this go? I'm glad I changed my shoes. This is great. This is good. Good shoes for this. All right. Do we wait for someone? What are we gonna do? Oh, let's go through this cave. Doesn't that look fun?
It does.
Paddle through the open sea while enjoying nature's masterpieces.
Wow, this is epic.
This is amazing. Should we stop in here? I wonder if we can. Oh my gosh, this is so great.
I like the color of the water.
Yeah, I like how green it is.
Yeah, and
it's so
it's
pretty.
Experience the beauty of nature in Shimane.